All right, folks, here comes. Oh, shave a haircut to start your Friday. All right, folks, this is Amtrak 712 coming in. Final destination on that train is Bakersfield. Here she comes now. This is the all bi-level set. No common car. Cat car, 6961. 6961. Port Aguelo, the second now cat car. Yeah, you didn't know. Yeah, you didn't know Port Aguelo is a Surfliner car. I could tell. See. 6961 Port Aguelo, the second loudest cat car ever. That used to be a Surfliner car. You can tell by the different styles of it. I think this one has 2107 leads off of 2106. The SC44 Siemens charger. Look at the inside of it. Yeah, see the seats are different inside? That was a Surfliner car, like Daniel almost told me. People just now loaded up the train to go down there. I think about catching this set to go back to Fresno, the railfed again. This set. All right, folks, Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 712. Final destination of that train is Bakersfield, now departing. 6961 Port Aguelo is the cat car leading this one off. Port Aguelo used to be the former Surfliner car, or Superliner car, one of those cars. I caught this while I was at Discovery Bay, while I was on 710. That's an SC44 Siemens charger 2107. Yep, I was right. 2107 on it. All right, folks, taking that train southbound to Bakersfield, rolling on the Martinez subdivision. Next stop is Martinez, Antioch, Stockton, Modesto, Twilight Delar, Merced, Madeira, Fresno, Hanford, Wasco, Corcoran, and the final stop of the train is Bakersfield. I think I got the stations correctly, but I probably got it backwards. So anyways, I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good day. Bye.